Hi all, welcome back to new video. So let's discuss about how to set the global discounts and how can we give discounts to products in the order lines of point of sale Odoo 60. So by offering discounts, you can entice your customers and drastically increase your revenue. It is vital to offer discounts whether they are time limited, seasonal or manual. So to manage discounts, Odoo has a powerful feature that helps to set up a pricing strategy tailored to every business. So you can apply manual discounts. So if you use discounts by applying manuals one, it might be the easiest solution for your point of sale. So you can either apply a discounts on whole orders on or on specific product inside an order. And you can also use global discounts or use pricing strategies. So let's get into the point of sale and set the global discounts. For that, go to configuration settings, and under pricing, we have a feature called global discounts. So we have already enabled that. So once you enable the global discounts and save the changes in the settings, you will get two fields called discount product and discount. So you need to add the discount product over here, as well as also need to set the discount percentage. So currently I'm setting the discount percentage as 10. So this will be considered as the percentage of discount as the global discounts. So you can save the changes. And let's back to the dashboard and let's open the session. So you can set the opening balance. So letting the opening balance as 1000 and open the session. And here you can see the products, and if you want to view all the products, click on the home icon so that you can view all the products. So now, as you have enabled the feature global discount, you can see a button over here, discount. So let me apply global discount. So you can add multiple products. So currently I have added 3 products in the order line. So I need to apply a global discount for this. So in order to apply global discount, you can choose the button discount. So here you can see that as we have set the global discount as 10%, Odoo will configure the 10%, and if you want to change the percentage, it is possible to change manually. So currently I'm applying 23% of discount and click on OK, so that you can see 23% of discount is applied. And you can see that a discount product is added and the amount is changed. So let's make a payment for this. For that, click on payment and you can choose a payment method and click on validate, so that we have completed the payment and you can see the receipt over here. Now let's make another order and we can make the discounts manually for single products from the multiple products. So let me choose multiple products over here. So here you can see we have added multiple products in the order line. So if you want to apply discount for only for particular product or discounts, different discounts for different products, it is possible to set that in Odoo 16 point of sale. So choose the product that you want to apply discount, and here we have a feature called discount. So click on that button and you can apply discount. So I'm letting the discount to be 6%. So here you can see that for a particular product now we have applied discounts. So click on payment and you can choose the payment method. Let me choose the payment method as bank, and let's click on validate to make the payment, so that the receipt has generated over here. Now we can also apply seasonal discounts. So in order to apply seasonal discounts, first we need to set the price list. So let's back to the settings. For that, just close the session first. And click on the 3 dots and you can click on edit to manage. And let me go to the configuration settings And here we have, flexible price list. So enable that feature. So this would allow you to set multiple prices. Okay, so you have to choose the second option, that is advanced price rules, which allow you to set the discounts. So here we need to create a price list for discounts, and we need to make it available in the POS. So that we need to set that created price list under the available field. So let me save the changes. As you have enabled the feature flexible price list, you can see the price list under product menu. So choose price list. So here we have a default price list. So click on new to create a new price list. So let me give the name of the price list as discount. And here we can see the currency that to be applied for this price list. And here you can use the company to be used for this price list. So currently I'm setting this field as null so that this price list can be used by any company. So here we can make an pricing rule. So click on add a line to add the pricing rule and setting the computation as discount. And here you can apply the discount. So I'm applying 50% of discount for all the products and making a valid period for the discount. So I'm setting a valid period. Okay, now click on apply so that we have applied a validity for this price list. Now let me save and close this. So we are applying 50% of discount for all of the products and click on add a line. So now we going to set a discount for particular product only. So choose a product and set the computation as discount and letting the discount to be 5%. And here you can choose a product. Let the product be cabinet with doors and save the changes. Now save the price list and back to the configuration settings. And here we can see we need to make it available under the flexible price list. So we have to add the created price list over here. So save the settings and back to the dashboard and open the session. And you can set the opening cache control. So letting it to be 1000. And currently we have all the products here. So let me choose some of the product that to be added in the order line. Okay. So I have added a few products in the order line. Now here we can see a public price list, a field or a feature, as we have enabled the flexible price list. So the default price list is public price list. We need to apply discounts. So in order to apply discounts, that is using price list, you can choose the price list of discount so that you can see 50% of discount is applied for all the products. So that change is reflected over here. Now, if you want to apply discount for cabinet with doors only. Now let me make the payment first for these products. So click on payment and you can choose the payment method and click on validate so that you can see we have completed the payment. Now let's back to the new orders and you can choose a product cabinet with doors and we have applied 5% of discount in the discount price list. So you can choose a price list so that you can see we have applied a 5% of discount for a particular product as we have set a seasonal pricing for the product. So let's make the payment for the product. So this is how Odoo POS manage the discounts. So let me close the session and back to the orders. So under orders, you can see all the orders that you have made. So from which shop, from which reference and the date, receipt number, customer, cashier and the total amount that have posted, everything will be under this with all the details, and the delivery status also will be shown. So currently we have completed the delivery of all the products. So here you can see the status is done. And when you back to the sessions, here you can see the session ID, point of sale, and who has opened the session, and opening date and closing date. And you will get all the details regarding that. And here we can see the orders for each of the sessions. So the sessions are shown and the delivery completed for each of the sessions, and the payment made for the sessions, and the payment method that we have used is shown here. And journal items is also shown over here, and the credit and debit that has happened, okay, for each of the journal. And we can also get the cash register with the date, label, and partner, amount, journal, and running balance over here. Okay. So that's all about setting off global discounts in Odoo 16 point of sale.